Hello, we're Team Ento, and we're going to show you the outcomes of our project, some behind the scenes of the cooking, and why urban farming is great.
For our first project, we wanted to target adventurous eaters in scenarios such as festivals and markets where there'd be social peer pressure. So we wanted to use sharing dishes like these snap and share kebabs that would allow people to eat insect foods together. Later on in our timeline, we wanted to make insect food a new format that everyone could try at a restaurant. So for this, we developed a place setting that has connections to sushi and Asian styles, but presents the insect food in a completely new format that is totally abstract and quite delicious looking. Following up on the success of our restaurant, we'd want to focus on the health benefits of edible insects. So we'd introduce a healthy lunch meal called the Ento box. Again, we've gone for a kind of Asian Japanese styling, using these snap and use chopsticks which actually seal the box. As edible insects become more accepted, our goal would be to introduce them as an ingredient. However, people would be quite unfamiliar, so we'd need to inform people on what size portion they'd need to use, which is where this foldable one-portion scoop comes in. This would be used to serve Ento mince, which can be used as a substitute for other sorts of mince in other recipes, or with a whole range of new recipes we hope to develop.
To create insect foods that look and taste good, we initially experimented a lot with different ways of preparing the insects to see how their tastes and textures change. Then, using Heston Blumenthal's molecular food pairing technique, we sampled over 80 different ingredient combinations and collated a database of the ones that worked well. And then, using our knowledge of insects and the expertise of a chef in training at the Cordon Bleu called Kim In-soo, we created the new recipes for Ento.
The really cool thing about insects is that they offer the unique possibility of farming protein within the city limits. This allows us to reduce our food miles, activates otherwise unproductive urban land, and ensures that our ethical protein source does not compete with existing agriculture. We also want to bring people closer to the food they eat. This proximity would strengthen links between consumers and the resources that sustain them, making progress towards more sustainable consumption habits.